Ever wondered which apps have access to your Apple ID? It's super important to know where your information is going and what apps have that extra access. In this quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to check which apps are connected to your Apple ID. So, let's jump right in without wasting any time. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap on your Apple ID from the top, tap on Sign In with Apple. Here, you will find all the apps that you have logged in to with your Apple ID. Here, you will find all the apps that you have logged into with your Apple ID. And if you want to learn how your data is used and managed, tap here and read through this. And that's it. Now you know how to keep an eye on the apps using your Apple ID. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.